Welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles Trials of South Africa. Breaking news from Tembisa Magistrate Court. Two suspects in the Ingqoweni Primary School murder case have appeared in open court today, the 24th of November 2025. The first accused is Mokgadi Hope Shongwe, a 26-year-old financial clerk at the school. The second accused is Tuki Benjamin Maditi, a 35-year-old popular local DJ and events organizer from Gianni section in Tembisa, Gauteng. The case involves the murders of the school's principal and an administrative clerk. Investigators say the principal, Unozbele Tabu, 58-year-old, and the admin clerk, Unobantu Njombini, 55, were shot in the school's administration block while preparing for a meeting. Police linked a suspicious transfer of 52,750 from the school's account into Mokgadi Shongwe's personal account just before the murders. During the arrest, her phone, laptop, and cash were seized. Authorities believe some of that money could have been intended to pay the hitmen. Both suspects remain in custody and will return to court on the 1st of December 2025 for their bail hearing, according to the NPA. According to the NPA, verifying Mokgadi Shongwe's address has proven difficult, which has delayed profiling for both accused. Investigations are ongoing and prosecutors have not ruled out the possibility of more arrest. Also, colleagues nearby reportedly heard gunshots. When they came out, they found the two victims lying on a passage inside the admin block. That's the latest on this developing case, and we'll keep you updated as more information comes in. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.